This is a brief video of the project for the course. I've called the program Wino. It discovers wines that match your user preferences. It's based upon a data set that's publicly available, and I acknowledge Zach Fout. Down the bottom you can see a reference to this data set that he created by scraping the Wine magazine. And it contains more than 300,000 wine reviews. My program filters the wines based upon your user preferences, and it exports a filtered wine list to a file called wines.csv and also lists those wines to the terminal. So what filters did I make available? It's only a subset of the full list. You can choose one or more countries, you can choose a wine variety, a minimum price and a maximum price, a rating minimum and a rating maximum, and a set of terms that must be included in the final list of descriptions, and a set of terms which are again optional that will exclude wines that contain those terms. For example, if you don't want sweet wines, put sweet in like I've seen here. Okay, let's have a look at the demo. First up, I'll put that I want wines from Australia or New Zealand. Variety, I'll put in Pinot Gris. The minimum price, I'll put $5. Maximum price, $15. Minimum rating, 85. Maximum rating, 90. I'll not bother with any terms to include, but I will exclude sweet wines. And there's the result. 10 wines that match all of the 8 criteria that I've put in. The list here and in wines.csv includes all of the variables in the dataset, not just those used for filtering. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this short introduction. Thank you.